Welcome to Inkscape. This tutorial we are going to discuss how to draw rectangle, square, ellipse and circle drawings. The tool palettes gives the tool sets to create and manipulate shapes. Let's use the rectangle tool. Click and drag to draw the shapes. Press the Control key and click and drag to draw a square shape. Use the ellipse tool to draw ellipse shape by click and drag on the canvas. Press the Control key and click and drag to draw circle shape. Using Shift key you can draw the shape from the center. lkitlearner, your personal tutor. Follow us, like us, and subscribe us.